Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 1 Series wing mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and various Torx screwdrivers. It is crucial to ensure the vehicle's engine is completely off before you begin any work. Additionally, protect your car's paintwork and surrounding areas by using a fender cover to prevent accidental scratches or damage during the process. Next, we'll focus on removing the mirror glass and cap. Begin by carefully tilting the mirror glass as far as it will go, creating a small gap at the bottom or side. Use your plastic trim tool to gently pry the mirror glass from its housing, working your way around the edges. Once the glass is free, carefully disconnect any electrical heating wires that are attached to the back of the mirror. Now, to remove the entire mirror assembly, you'll need to access its mounting points. This typically involves carefully removing the interior door trim panel using your trim tools. Once the trim is off, locate and unscrew the 3 Torx T30 bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. After the bolts are removed, gently pull the mirror away from the car and disconnect all remaining electrical connectors from the unit. To install your new wing mirror, simply reverse the removal steps. First, connect the new mirror's electrical wires and secure the assembly with the 3 Torx T30 bolts. Reinstall the interior door trim panel, then carefully click the mirror cap and mirror glass back into place, ensuring it's fully seated. Finally, switch on your ignition and test the mirror's adjustments and heating functions to confirm everything works correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.